Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make your videos full screen without cropping important parts of the video? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the AI expand feature in CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26. This feature uses AI to expand your video and automatically fill empty spaces. It's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Let me show you how. First, open CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Next, tap New Project. Now, select the video you want to edit and tap Add. After importing the video, tap the video clip in the timeline. Then tap Crop from the bottom menu. Inside the crop menu, tap AI Expand. Now choose the 9:16 aspect ratio for vertical full screen videos. After that, tap Generate. CapCut will begin processing your video and use AI to expand the background automatically. Wait a few moments until the result is finished. Once the AI expand process is complete, preview your video. You should now see a full screen video without heavy cropping. If everything looks good, tap Export to save the video to your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to use AI Expand in CapCut to stretch videos without cropping on your Samsung Galaxy S26. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.